Earth's oceans remain one of the least explored places in existence. And even with modern satellites, sonar mapping, and deep-sea submersibles, a huge portion of the ocean floor is still unobserved in detail. What scientists have managed to uncover beneath the waves is both fascinating and unsettling, revealing a hidden world that operates almost completely outside human awareness. Each expedition into the deep ocean shows that we still understand only a fraction of what exists beneath the surface. One of the most significant discoveries is the existence of massive underwater volcano chains, forming long mountain ranges completely hidden beneath the ocean's surface. These systems stretch for thousands of kilometers and represent some of the most active volcanic regions on Earth. In fact, most volcanic activity on the planet happens underwater, silently reshaping the ocean floor far away from human view. Over time, these systems continuously rebuild and transform Earth's underwater landscape. Another major discovery comes from deep ocean trenches, which plunge to depths greater than the height of Mount Everest. These trenches represent some of the most extreme environments on the planet, with crushing pressure, freezing temperatures, and total darkness. Despite their size and importance, many of these regions are still not fully explored, meaning we can map their existence, but not fully understand what exists within them. They remain some of the most mysterious zones on Earth. Scientists have also uncovered evidence suggesting the existence of ancient sunken cities beneath the ocean. Submerged ruins and coastal structures indicate that parts of early human civilization once existed in regions that are now underwater. These areas were likely flooded due to rising sea levels or geological shifts thousands of years ago. While many of these discoveries are still under study, they provide important clues about how early humans lived and migrated. Another dramatic finding involves giant underwater landslides along continental slopes, where massive sections of the seabed have collapsed or shifted. These underwater events are not only enormous in scale, but may have played a role in triggering ancient tsunamis throughout Earth's history. Studying these formations helps scientists better understand the risks of future underwater geological events and their potential impact on coastal regions. Perhaps one of the most intriguing discoveries comes from deep-sea exploration cameras that have captured unknown and unusual life forms in the ocean depths. Strange silhouettes, glowing bioluminescent organisms, and alien-like creatures reveal how little we truly know about deep ocean biodiversity. Scientists estimate that the majority of deep-sea species are still undiscovered, meaning every new expedition has the potential to reveal entirely new forms of life. Beneath the ocean floor itself, researchers have also discovered vast methane hydrate deposits trapped under extreme pressure and low temperatures. These frozen methane structures are not only significant for energy research, but may also play an important role in regulating Earth's climate system. Their scale and distribution suggest that the ocean floor contains far more chemical and geological complexity than previously understood. Another remarkable discovery comes from hydrothermal vent ecosystems, where superheated water escapes from beneath the Earth's crust into the ocean. Despite extreme conditions, entire ecosystems thrive around these vents without any sunlight. Instead of relying on photosynthesis, these life forms depend on chemical energy from the Earth itself. This discovery completely changed scientific understanding of where and how life can exist. Modern mapping technology has also revealed thousands of previously unknown underwater mountains, known as seamounts, hidden for centuries until advanced sonar systems began charting the ocean floor in detail. These structures influence ocean currents, marine ecosystems, and even global climate patterns in subtle but important ways. Yet despite being mapped, many of them remain unexplored in terms of their biological and geological significance. Another fascinating discovery is the presence of massive cold seeps on the ocean floor, where methane and other gases slowly leak out from beneath the seabed. These environments support unique ecosystems that survive without sunlight, similar to hydrothermal vents, but formed under much cooler conditions. Cold seeps show that life can adapt to an even wider range of environments than previously imagined. Scientists have also discovered large buried sediment layers that preserve records of Earth's ancient climate history. These layers act like natural archives, containing evidence of past temperatures, ocean levels, and even major extinction events. By studying them, researchers can reconstruct how Earth's climate has changed over millions of years and predict future patterns more accurately. Another important finding is the detection of massive underwater river systems flowing beneath the ocean floor. These hidden channels carry sediment and water through porous rock formations, creating underground pathways that behave almost like rivers beneath the sea. Their existence suggests that the ocean floor is far more dynamic and interconnected than previously believed. Deep-sea exploration has also revealed vast fields of manganese nodules scattered across the seabed. These rock-like formations contain valuable metals such as nickel, cobalt, and copper, making them highly important for future resource exploration. However, their extraction raises concerns about environmental damage to fragile deep-sea ecosystems that are still not fully understood. Finally, modern sonar and robotic exploration continue to reveal that large portions of the ocean floor remain completely unmapped in detail. Every new scan uncovers unexpected features, from hidden ridges to unexplained geological formations. This reinforces the idea that Earth's oceans are still one of the last great frontiers of exploration. When all these discoveries are combined, a clear picture emerges of a vast, active, and deeply complex underwater world. The ocean floor is not empty or still, but constantly shifting, evolving, and supporting life in extreme conditions. Every discovery raises new questions while answering old ones, showing how much of Earth remains hidden beneath the waves. So the real mystery is not what we have found, but what still remains completely unknown. Because the deeper we explore the oceans, the more we realize that Earth's greatest secrets may still be waiting beneath the surface.